8 easy tricks to increase your professionalism. Master the art of communication. This applies to both written and verbal communication. Strive for clarity, conciseness, and proper grammar in emails, reports, and presentations. Maintain a professional tone during conversations and avoid slang or informal language. Punctuality is key. Being on time for meetings, deadlines, and even work itself demonstrates respect for others' time and your commitment to your role. Dress for success. Even if your workplace has a casual dress code, aim for a polished and put-together appearance. Project an image of competence and confidence through your attire. Be proactive and take initiative. Don't wait for instructions. Anticipate needs and take ownership of your tasks. Look for ways to improve processes or contribute beyond your assigned duties. Maintain a positive attitude. A cheerful and optimistic demeanor fosters a more pleasant work environment. Approach challenges with a solution-oriented mindset. Be mindful of your online presence. Employers often check social media profiles. Maintain a professional online persona and avoid posting anything that could reflect poorly on you or your company. Lifelong learning is essential. Stay up to date in your field by attending workshops, conferences, or taking online courses. Demonstrate a willingness to learn and grow. Practice good etiquette. Be courteous and respectful towards colleagues, clients, and anyone you interact with in a professional setting. Use proper greetings, acknowledge others, and maintain a positive body language. By implementing these simple tricks, you can cultivate a professional image and enhance your success in the workplace.